Alright, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to put a bullet in the paragraph, how to highlight this particular sentence, and to add a header on the page. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so what I want to do, I want to add a bullet icon in this particular paragraph. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to left click, using the left click button on this particular paragraph, hold it, and drag it. Okay, so once I drag it, I let go of the button, the mouse button, left click button, and as you can see, once I let it go, the icon turned into a pointer. So what I'm going to do is go into the bullet section, which is this section over here. Okay, the bullets, it says that bullets popping up, and once it's chosen, I will go into the arrow. And once I click on the arrow, okay, I left click on the arrow once, and it gives me a lot of options. Okay, it gives me this, gives me that, and some checks, all that stuff. So I would like to choose this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to left click this particular item once, and once I click on it, I hold on to it and let it go, and there we are. Alright, mind you, it's still selected, so what I want to do, I'm going to click on any empty area of this page, like especially over here, and in this particular area is deselected. Okay, so my next step is that I want this particular word to be highlighted. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, once again, drag this whole particular item to the left, and what I'm going to do is go into text highlights color section, this icon right here. Okay, so once I go into that particular area, I'm going to go into this particular arrow, okay, and click on that once. Once I click on that, it gives me options of different colors. I have blue, I have pink, I have green, whatever the case may be, red. But in this particular section, I want this area to be yellow. So I'm going to click on the yellow. Okay, click on the yellow once. Okay, once I click on the yellow once, alright, it turns into that. Alright, and the icon and the boxes disappear. And finally, my next step, what I want to do is add a header in this particular page, or actually both pages. So what I'm going to do is go into insert, and once I go to insert, I will go to the section where it says header. Okay, and once again, if you go to insert, it gives you a lot of options, but I'm not interested in that option. My option is the header. So I click on the header, and once I click on the header, it gives me different sections. It gives me blank. It gives me blank 3 columns, alphabet, annual, Aster, and much, much more. But in this case, I would like the blank. So I will click on the blank area, and once I click on the blank area, it gives me that. Okay, and in this area, it says type text. I'm not really interested in type text. I like to type in a text. Okay, so I would like to drag it, backspace to delete it, and I'm going to put a specific word here. Let's see, I can put English 101. Okay, so I'm done typing what I want to type in this header, and I will close the header footer section where it says X over here. I'll close and click on it once, and voila, there it is. Now mind you that English 101 happens to be a little faded. That's alright, that's just indicating that it's still there, but it's still a header. Okay, so in this tutorial, you've been taught how to put a header, how to put a bullet icon, and on the paragraph, and also to make this particular sentence to be highlighted.